This is the SoundPEATS Q34. It is the newest Bluetooth earbuds in the lineup. The Q34 is made out of metal casing. Also, from what I can see, the packaging is a little bit different than their usual package. And today, let's all take a look at it. This time SoundPEATS went with clear plastic top cover. As you can see, you can directly see the headphones in the box. We can still see the SoundPEATS logo and the model number. Some few specs down in the corner, such as aptX support, 7 hours battery life, and wind tips and stuff like that. And here's what's on the sides. And on the back is pretty standard with other Q models. Let's crack open the box. You flip this clear cover up, you cannot remove it completely, and you can flip this paper cutout away. Then the headphones can be removed easily. Inside of the box, we have a pouch and a very thick user's manual, pretty standard from SoundPEATS, and it does support multi-language. Inside of the pouch, they stuffed a lot of things in there. We have a micro USB charging cable, flat noodle style. It is pretty short, only a couple inches long. Here's a bag of wind tips and ear tips, also a cable management clip. And lastly, there's a warranty card inside of the pouch as well. If you have problems, you can contact SoundPEATS from their information down here. And on the back of the card, we have the same charging warning. Again, nothing more than 1 amp of output, pretty standard with all other SoundPEATS products. And there's nothing else in the box. So here are the headphones. They look pretty similar to other Q models, but the casing of the headphones, it is indeed metal. And on the back of these headphones, there's actually a piece of plastic protection film on it. You can simply peel them off if you want a more shiny surface. The ear tips and wind tips are very comfortable and soft, and at the base of the headphones, there's actually a bit of a curve. This actually makes it very easy to grab on and put on your ears. And here's the control unit. Surprisingly, it's actually smaller than all other models. You have the multifunction and the power key in the middle, plus and minus are for your volume or sound selections, and a tiny micro LED indicator. On the side, you have a micro USB covered with this rubber door. It is very easy to lift up. It also makes it sweat-proof. And on the back, we can see the SoundPEATS logo again, and a teeny tiny hole, which I assume it's the microphone hole. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Q34, where it gives my pros and cons. And I start with pros. The Q35 has a very nice presentation from the get-go. It feels high quality from just unboxing it. I like how they match the quality of the headphones with the packaging. The Q35 seems louder than other plastic SoundPEATS headphones. I turned the Q34 volume setting to medium and compared that with the Q30 side by side, and it does appear louder on the Q34, which is pretty nice. The bass on this model is nice and strong. It sounds less vague compared to the Q30, exactly what you would expect from metal casing headphones. This is definitely an improvement. You won't hear bass that it sounds muddy on these headphones, and is very punchy and clear. Mids and highs are also sound less plasticky. There is still a tiny bit of a harshness, but overall it sounds very nice and warm, very enjoyable, especially on light instrument and vocals. The Q34 uses high quality metal casing. The design is very ergonomic. It is easy to grab and easy to fit. They feel very light despite they're made out of metal. I'm actually a big fan of the new wind tip design. Upon closer inspection, you can actually see a notch on each wind tips, and when you're installing them, they will fit perfectly on the case of the headphones. So you will know exactly where they line up for the best secure fit. Consider it's a SoundPEATS product. The Q34 also shares a ton of other great features from other products. Things like long battery life, built-in magnet design, comfortable ear tips and wind tips, and great sound quality. And for cons? Oh well, I didn't actually find any. So should I bring out the cliche 1 amp charging warning again? Maybe not. Overall, I'm just really happy with the new Q34. They sound great, they feel great, and the quality is very premium. And the cost of the headphones stay relatively low. Definitely won't break your bank. SoundPEATS are definitely gradually improving their products. And the Q34 has no exception. If you want more information of the new Q34, click the link in the description, like and subscribe to the channel, and as usual, I will see you next time.